Developing a medical device is no simple task. That's why companies often outsource certain parts of production. At Strouse, we have helped countless companies bring their medical device solutions to life with custom die-cut products. So in this video, we are going to go over the advantages of outsourcing and the signs we see when it's beneficial for a company. Outsourcing solutions for medical devices involve medical device manufacturers partnering with contract manufacturers, in our case converters, to produce custom components needed for their devices. Medical devices consist of various components such as screens, adhesives, flex circuits, and other parts. It isn't always practical for a single company to specialize in all these areas. Companies can save time, money, and resources by outsourcing specific components to specialized contract manufacturers with expertise in those fields. There are many advantages to outsourcing for your medical device, but some of the main factors are the no upfront machine cost, product development assistance and expertise, rapid prototyping capabilities, and the reliable quality standards. Outsourcing eliminates the need for manufacturers to invest in expensive machinery, equipment, or tools required for specific component production. Die cutting machines and other specialized equipment can cost hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. Additionally, ongoing maintenance, storage, and the cost of experienced operators add to these expenses. By outsourcing, companies can leverage the existing infrastructure of converters without bearing these costs. Outsourcing provides access to expertise that can enhance product development. Converters often suggest cost-saving improvements such as optimizing design by combining layers, choosing alternative materials, or adjusting die-cut tolerances. This can help avoid inefficiencies and unforeseen problems in the production process, resulting in a more streamlined and cost-effective approach to manufacturing medical devices. Contract manufacturers and converters often have rapid prototyping capabilities. This allows companies to create functional product samples quickly, enabling testing and validation before full-scale production. Rapid prototyping helps ensure that the material and design meet the intended performance specifications. At Strouse, we use digital knife and laser technology for prototyping, and we also offer die-cut trial runs to validate the final product. Outsourcing allows companies to maintain high-quality standards without investing in additional equipment or training. Contract manufacturers often adhere to strict quality control processes and certifications, ensuring that the final product meets industry standards. This reduces the burden on the original manufacturer to maintain these standards internally and provides peace of mind during the product development journey. By partnering with experienced converters, medical device companies can benefit from expertise, cost savings, quality assurance, and faster time to market, ultimately enhancing their product development and manufacturing processes. To learn more about working with a converter, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.